I'm going to add my colorants. Made soap. I have my oils here, and it's palm, which is sustainable. I have coconut, shea butter, avocado oil, castor oil, and canola oil, and I also have hemp seed oil. So this is my lye right here, and I'm going to get that all blended. So I'm going to burp that, try to get the bubbles out, and this is a double batch. And I have all my equipment. I'm wearing my gloves. I'm practicing good manufacturing practices, which is a hairnet. I have goggles, gloves, and I have my lab coat. I need to pour some of it off because I do want to do the in the pot swirl. And this batch does not have any titanium dioxide. I could put that in there. All it does is just make it really nice and white. And I have my molds all set to go. I also am making some embeds, so I'm going to thicken this up just a little bit more. Sorry about the camera shaking. And I'm making some embeds that have no scent, so I just want to pour that off. So here we go. So here's my, let's see if I can straighten this out just a little bit. But these are the little things there, the molds. And I do have them labeled. So I'll just pour this off. Should have a little easier. So this is an extra step that I'm doing. So I will put that off to the side. So these will be the embeds for another batch of soap that I will be making. So I'm going to add my colorants. See that? I'm going to, I want to mix this up just a little bit more because of the coloring. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, well, it's already at light trace, which is where you can see the impression, say like this. I don't know if I can show it on here, but I'm going to try. Let's see, when you go like this and you drizzle it, you can usually see like a little impression of it, and that's what we call trace. So I'm going to add my fragrance, and I have lavender, which is really nice. And my rose and peony. And I'm going to stir this in. Whisk it in. And I don't have another whisk, but that's okay. Probably should have did this one first. Okay, so I'm going to get my molds, because when I put this Lilies and Lilac in, it's a natural fragrance oil, and that is from Bulk Apothecary. These are my molds right here. Those are my molds, and this is from Brambleberry. Just gonna try to get it off. There we go. Wow, that smells really, really good. So it's behaving not too bad. I'm just going to go 1, 2, that's it. So the little batch I will use as little gifts. I have like realtor gifts that I do, and also I have a construction company that likes to give thank you gifts to the homeowners. So I will use this little one right here for that. Okay, so let's do the design. So I'm trying to make it so you can see this without it being so crooked. Sorry about it. Okay. Alright, so let me work on that. So I have a skewer, and that's what I use. To spray this with 91 or 99% rubbing alcohol, and that just helps to prevent soda ash, although I still get soda ash, so I don't know how much it really helps me, but